If you've been scrolling through beauty ads lately, chances are you've seen the Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream, a sleek silver jar claiming to lift, firm, and erase years off your skin in just a few weeks. Sounds like a miracle, right? But before you spend your money, let's take a closer look at what's really behind the glow. Luxeveria promises instant results through its advanced peptide and hyaluronic acid blend. But here's the truth. While these ingredients can hydrate and slightly plump the skin, they can't physically lift sagging tissue or reverse deep wrinkles the way clinical treatments do. The marketing sounds impressive, yet much of it leans heavily on buzzwords like dermatologist-inspired and age-defying complex, which don't mean much scientifically. What's more, the so-called limited-time discounts and countdown timers on their website seem to reset daily, suggesting the urgency might be more about getting your credit card out than saving you money. Even the transformation photos on the site appear overly retouched, with lighting differences rather than real skin changes. When we compare Luxeveria's formula to other drugstore products, the same core ingredients, peptides, glycerin, and hyaluronic acid, show up in far cheaper options that deliver nearly identical results. Dermatologists agree that while moisturizing and sun protection can make a visible difference, no cream alone can lift the under-eye area. As for real users, experiences are mixed. Some noticed temporary smoothing, while others felt no improvement at all after weeks of use. So, is Luxeveria Eye Lifting Cream a scam? Not exactly. It's just another overhyped beauty product dressed in luxury packaging. If you want firmer-looking eyes, focus on consistent skincare, hydration, and SPF rather than chasing miracle jars that promise the impossible.